Why is it important to know about formal and informal communication? Being aware of these ways of speaking helps you know when to speak and how to do it, depending on the people you're talking or writing to, the context of the conversation, and the place where you're speaking, etc. In this video, we're going to be using both formal and informal communication because you need to understand that there's also a middle ground between them. So, we're going to start with formal communication. Is the type of communication we use in professional or official situations. It follows certain rules, uses respectful and clear language, and usually happens through planned methods like meetings, emails, reports, or letters. It helps make sure that information is shared clearly and properly in workplaces, schools, or organizations. This includes managers, teachers, clients, government officials, and colleagues in formal settings. Using formal communication in this context demonstrates respect, professionalism, and clarity, which are essential for effective and proper interactions. I explained that to you in actual formal speaking, and as you notice, we must use polite expressions, complete forms, no contractions, formal vocabulary, and passive voice. These are phrases or techniques that show respect for the person or people you're speaking to, and also demonstrate your professionalism in communication. So, we're now diving into informal communication. This is the way we talk to people in a relaxed, casual way, like with friends, classmates, or even co-workers when we're not in a serious or official situation. It doesn't follow strict rules, and we can use everyday language, jokes, emojis, slang, or contractions, like I'm or don't. It's more natural and friendly. For example, instead of saying, I would like to request your help, in informal communication, you'd say, hey, can you help me out? It's also common to see or hear idioms in this type of communication, such as on point, good, break the ice, to start a conversation, piece of cake, something very easy, and spill the beans, to reveal a secret. It's great for building great relationships or making conversations feel easy and comfortable. But you mustn't use this kind of language when you're trying to get a job, send a professional email, talk to your boss, or speak to people you don't know. It will make you seem unprofessional. Save this kind of communication for when you're having fun with your family, hanging out with friends, or similar situations. Mastering both formal and informal communication ensures you make a good impression and maintain strong relationships, no matter who you're speaking to or the context you're in.